Hello guys, today I am going to talk about world's safest city. Do you know world's safest city? You don't know? Then today I'll tell you in this video. The world's safest city is Abu Dhabi, the capital of UAE, placed at number 1. But I'll tell you the second safest city in the world, Doha, the capital of Qatar. The state of Qatar has again retained its global distinction in safety as Doha, the capital of Qatar, has been declared as the second safest city in the world. In 431 cities covered in the report, Doha has been placed at number 2 in terms of safety and low crime rates. Thank you for watching this video.